Want to build flexible custom rental pages without upgrading to Elementor Pro or writing a single line of code? With WPRentals, you get a full suite of Elementor widgets included, ready to drag and drop right into your layouts. Use dedicated widgets to display recent listings with filters, create modern sliders for feature properties, and build responsive grids that look great on any device. You can also add customizable search forms and contact forms, all using fields from your WPRental setup. Add interactive elements that make your site easier to explore and more engaging for visitors. You can showcase listings in different layouts, highlight categories, introduce property owners, display testimonials, and use marketing style widgets to bring important information forward. Each element helps your audience understand your content faster and interact with your site in a more natural way. All of this is managed through Elementor's free visual editor, where you see every change live as you make it. You can move sections, adjust layouts, and update content right on the page without needing any technical steps. It's a straightforward way to build and manage your rental website while keeping full control over how everything looks and feels. WPRentals includes over 100 custom widgets that let you design any page you want, along with the dedicated blocks for properties, categories, owners, blog layouts, and even header and footer templates through WPRentals Studio. Everything is built to give you full control over how your website looks and works. Start designing custom rental pages today. Fast, flexible, and fully visual.